So, hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing XLBI's challenge 569. I did this challenge yesterday or this morning, and I thought, oh, this could be super cool to do a video about this. And yeah, so I will be doing this challenge again. So, here, loading the file. So here we are. What should we do here? We should count the alphabets from both strings, take the absolute difference, and then may output this in like this format here. So therefore I need all the alphabets from A to Z. Therefore I use CHAR sequence 26 alphabets starting from 97, and this will give me a list of A to Z, because the Unicode of a small a is 97. Sometimes, you know, at a certain point you will know this by heart. Then I will count all the occurrence of those letters inside those things, and therefore we need to have this formula len of our string minus len of substitute our string. O text are our alphabet, and then nothing. And then if this is substituted then against nothing, the len is different, and therefore we count those letters. So first the original length of those of the string, and then the length, the len without the certain letter, and therefore here of course I need to name this S here, and then you see we have here a count. So this is like D, then E, and so on and so on. Now, because I need to do this 2 times, I want to make this a lambda inside the let function. Name this lambda S. And if I now want to call this, I need to erase this here. I can simply type in, oh, I need to name this. This is like C for count. I simply can type in count, then overgive the parameter, or hand over the parameter, and I have the same result. Now I want to have this C of this and C of B2. Take the absolute value difference, and so you will see these are both then dynamic arrays, and I have here the absolute value difference, or the value difference. The absolute function will also split arrays, so no problems there. And now I have this as D as the difference, and now I filter the concatenation of my alphabet, and because here the answer code is an alphabet, and my difference. If my difference is larger than 0, and I get here a code, then I need to concat this, close the bracket, and now we have this. We can see if the solution would be right by dragging it down. And you see it's as the expected answer. Now we need to make this a single formula. Therefore we use the map function. So F and S here, first for the first string and S for the second string. Oh, here of course for the whole array there. And therefore we have the map function. Oh, it was a long day, sorry. Then lambda, after the delimiter lambda F and S. And now here erase this against F and this against S, 2 times a bracket, and then we have the result again. So quite an easy formula. Very cool to have here our lambda inside let, because we need to call this 2 times, and also here this filter approach. So what we have here, I will show this to you again in a single formula, is like Yeah, I think I will show you this in an unfiltered version. Is like I have here. Why will this not call? Here, yeah, of course. I think I need this without map. Sorry for that. F is this, S is this. Yeah. So I have here then a list of all the characters and the character count, because I concatenate here row by row the alphabet and the difference, so the count here. And then by filtering this after the count, because my count is a separate dynamic array. No, it's not C, it's D, sorry. After my count, in this case the difference, I can then say, oh, I want only to have here the concatenation of A and D, if D is larger than 0, so here, here, and here. And then I have this as an filter A and D if D is larger than 0. I could also say this, because you don't need here larger than 0, because yeah, one is like our larger than 0 result, and yeah, you can also do this that way. Yeah, what else to say? And then we concat this and then get it like together. So let's take a short look at LinkedIn. Cool things here, a little bit long. Also, Adita, you will be a competitor. Oh, mmalt, yeah, cool function. Also with a little bit long, short, cool thing. A lot of cool stuff here. Yeah, thank you for attention. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. I'll show you this.